Yes, this dessert almost won the presidential election, and today I'm gonna show you how to make them.
Meet Brigadeiro, a tiny truffle with a big heart. They're smooth, chewy, rich, and dangerously easy to love. We're on a journey to make the best chocolate desserts from around the globe. And today, we're in Brazil. The Brigadeiro is made from just 3 ingredients: rich cocoa, condensed milk, and velvety butter. These glossy chocolate bites are Brazil's national sweet, born from history and shared with love.
If you've ever been to a Brazilian birthday party, you've seen them. Dozens of glossy chocolate pearls, evenly coated in sprinkles, and usually gone in seconds.
Here's the story. The Brigadeiro was born in Rio de Janeiro in the 1940s, during a time of political change and a sugar shortage. Legend says that when ingredients were scarce after World War II, women started making these sweets with condensed milk and cocoa instead of the traditional sugar and cream. They sold them to support Brigadier Eduardo Gomes, a military officer running for president. And the name Brigadeiro, meaning high-ranking military officer, just stuck.
He didn't win the election, but his chocolate became a national treasure.
I'll show you how to get the perfect truffles, step by step. Ready to give it a try?
Alright, let's make some Brazilian magic. Magia.
In a saucepan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Then pour in your sweetened condensed milk. That's the soul of this dessert. Add your cocoa powder, then whisk it all together until smooth and velvety. Now comes the heart of it. Keep on stirring. You'll want to stir constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula, scraping the bottom and the sides as it cooks. This slow, steady stirring is what gives Brigadeiro its signature texture. Thick, glossy, and silky, instead of grainy or burned. The sugar in the condensed milk caramelizes gently, while the cocoa and butter melt together into a rich fudge. If you stop stirring, the bottom can catch and scorch. And once that happens, the flavor turns bitter instead of beautifully deep.
So think of this part as a little ritual. The more patient you are, the smoother and the shinier your brigadeiros will be.
After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll feel it pull away from the pan. That's your cue. Tilt the pan. If the mixture slides off and leaves the bottom clean for a few seconds before melting back, you've hit the ponto certo, the perfect point. Take it off the heat, add a little more butter, and let it cool just enough to handle.
If you're stirring along at home while it cools, make sure you hit subscribe to get the full access to the around the globe recipes. We got a lot more coming. And now for the fun part.
Scoop out spoonfuls of the mixture, about the size of a walnut, and roll them between your buttered palms until perfectly round. Traditionally, they're rolled in chocolate sprinkles, but you can get creative. Finely chopped nuts, cacao nips, coconut flakes, or even gold dust if you're feeling fancy. Each brigadeiro becomes a little edible jewel. Soft on the inside, glossy on the outside, and bursting with chocolatey comfort.
Rich, chewy, with a deep cocoa flavor balanced by creamy sweetness. Beautiful stuff. You can almost hear the samba playing in the background.
And there you have it, Brigadeiro, Brazil's sweetest tradition. Proof that with just cocoa, condensed milk, and a bit of patience, you can create pure happiness.
Try making them at home and tag us. Show us your shiny brigadeiros, your messy kitchen. We want to see it all.
Where should we travel next on our world chocolate dessert journey? Tell us in the comments, and as they say in Brazil, bom apetite!